Guess what? Freshers Camp is back again here with more such free certification courses in Java and C++, which will not only introduce you to the basic concepts of it as well as help you to enhance your skills in it. And if you want to apply, we also provide you with the link in our caption, which gives you the coupon code as well, which you have to apply to get this course free. In this course, you will learn about how to write a Java program as well as learn the Java basic concepts, which takes user input processes as well as outputs the results, as well as C++ concepts, C++ console, variables, and many such. To apply for this, you need no prior knowledge of C++ or Java. Just basic knowledge of computer will be done to get yourself enrolled in this free certification courses brought to you by Freshers Camp. So what are you waiting for? Go and apply for this free certification courses very easily, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel as well, so that we can come up with more such free certification courses for your benefit.